What's going on, traders? I'm not even going to waste you guys' time. We're going to get straight into it. Like, subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Let's get straight into the video. Now, this is not clickbait. I have reason to believe that Tesla is ready for upside. If you paid attention to my other Tesla videos, I haven't steered you wrong yet. So hear me out. Hear me out on this video. Today, what happened today? Okay. Today, we saw a break below 180, which was one of our key levels. If you paid attention to my other videos, I said if we break below 194, we're heading towards 180, and that's exactly what happened. Then we broke below another key level. We broke below 177, and we headed towards 175. Once we broke below 177 and went to 175, what happened? Bears got trapped and we broke right back above our key levels of 177 and 180. So, what does that mean? Now, if we look at the overall market, what has consistently happened over and over? Bears have continued to get trapped, no matter if it's the Qs, no matter if it's the SPY, no matter if it's a stock in general, Nvidia, bears continue to get trapped. And now we've seen the same thing with Tesla. Now you're probably like, okay, big deal. That's not enough for me. All right. So let's look at the weekly chart then. What are we looking at on the weekly chart? We're looking at a beautiful bull flag here. Now keep in mind, the higher the time frame, the stronger the levels. Okay, so we don't take this level lightly. We do not take this trend line lightly. This is a weekly level, so I wouldn't take this lightly. This is a bull flag on the weekly, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Now, when we're looking at the bottom of the weekly, what do we have? We have a reversal hammer pattern at the bottom of this bull flag. Now, the week isn't over, right? So probably should wait till the week is over. But I don't think so. If we go down to the daily, what do we have? The same exact thing. And the day is over. The day is over for the market, right? We have the exact same thing on the daily time frame. A bullish reversal hammer pattern. We go down to the 4 hour. Same exact thing. Okay? So I mean, if this isn't enough, I don't know what is. It looks really, really clean. We got multiple time frames showing a reversal pattern here. So, what confirmations do we have so far? We have a bull flag on a weekly. We have multiple hammer patterns on the daily and the 4 hour. If you want to count the weekly, go for it. And not only that, our next confirmation is the 200 daily SMA. All right. So, what do I mean by that? If we go and mark this out, right? The 200 daily SMA is at around 230 on Tesla. 230. Okay. Now we can do this kind of move or we can head all the way up here to 240. Okay. We can either go to 230, head back down, or we can go to 230, make a higher low, and then go higher to 240. And then we potentially continue from there. Okay. That is the move that I am looking at. 230 is where the 200 daily SMA is. And if you're not convinced still, we have yet to retest the daily SMA. Look at it. We broke below it and we have not retested it yet. Even on the smaller time frames, we broke below it and we have yet to retest it. 4 hour. Again, we broke below it. We have not retested our 200 daily SMA. So, if that's not enough to convince you, I don't know what is. So, there are three ways we can play this, right? We can, tomorrow we just jump in head first, not even think about it. YOLO calls, all in on Tesla, and hope for the best, right? Or we can wait for confirmation. That's probably your more safe bet, where we wait for a break in retest above 194. That's kind of your medium safe bet, right? Or you wait for a break in retest above 197, which is your safest bet. Okay, so those are your options on how to play this. I'm pretty sure I just know how everybody's going to play this as far as tomorrow goes, especially depending on how we open. But I think Tesla's ready. I think Tesla is absolutely ready to see 230, 240. Do with that information what you will. Now let's look at the overall market real quick. I think you proved my point with Tesla. So overall market, I'm still bullish. Okay, call me a perma bear, but I'm still bullish. I haven't been wrong yet. Okay, now I do think that tomorrow could potentially end up like today, where we see a move to either the upside, a big move to the upside or the downside before the market makes a big decision. I don't think the real move is going to come until the middle of the week. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, that's fine by me, but I think that's the move that's going to happen. Now, I see a lot of traders are absolutely like freaking out about today for whatever reason. We didn't do anything today. We didn't break any key levels. In fact, we've actually held key levels much better. So if we're looking at the SPY, let's look at the ES and let's go to our daily time frame. All right. So this can go one or two ways. Okay. We can either repeat this move here and here, okay, where we go down here and we repeat the same move that we have done twice already before the next move up. So this would be a move all the way down to about 490, 488 on the SPY, the actual SPY. Okay. Well, this is the actual SPY. You know what I mean. But that can be the move for tomorrow. Okay. Where we break down and we head back down to 4905, 4900, give or take. Okay. Before the next move up. The market is all about patterns and historical data. Okay. That's what it's about. And also seeing the future as well. But overall, what does the market do? It repeats patterns over and over and over. So we could, if we are bearish heading into tomorrow, this could be the move here, where bears get trapped. Like I said on Tesla, and like I said at the beginning of the video, what have we constantly seen on the market? We constantly see bears get trapped. So we could see that happen once again. Okay, again, I'm not saying it's written in stone. I'm not saying that's exactly what is going to happen. I'm not saying that if we get down here, bears are immediately going to get trapped. We could just head lower. But given what's happened here on the daily and here, where bears continue to get trapped and we continue to break this trend line over and over, as you guys can see, it's connected. One, two, we break below it. Bears got trapped. Bulls stepped in. Again, bears got trapped. Bulls stepped in. So if we are bearish heading into tomorrow, and I'm not actually bearish. I'm just saying. I'm just giving you guys scenarios. If we head down tomorrow, I would say, if I'm still going to remain bullish, that this could happen again before we break above, what is it, 500 on the SPY, or break to 500 on the SPY. Okay, so that's my thoughts heading into tomorrow as far as the SPY goes. Okay, Dow Jones. If the Dow Jones, and I've said it before in multiple videos, if the Dow Jones breaks below 38,100, that's when I will start to be worried. Okay, and 38,100 is where this big giant fight happened over here between bulls and bears. So right here, this is a very key area here. In this area right here. All right, that is a very key area. So I would be careful if we start heading below 38,100 on the Dow Jones. If we head below 38,000, then I think a possible correction is going to come in. Okay, but as far as today goes, everything looks good. I mean, we closed above 492 on the SPY, huge. Okay, that's big. We closed above 428 on the Qs, also a good thing. We closed above 17,700 on NQ, also a good thing. So I mean, again, I have no reason to be bearish right now. Okay, key levels, guys. I go over this every video. People keep trying to guess the top key levels. I keep showing you guys that these levels work. You follow the key levels, you stick to your plan, you stick to your trading strategy, it will work. As you guys can see, we rejected. We had a huge rejection right here where these arrows are pointing. Rejection here. Bears got destroyed here. Bulls stepped in. Bears got destroyed once again. Bulls stepped in, and we're back above 17,700. So, again, I have to remain bullish until otherwise. When the Qs break below 422, I will be a little worried. And once we break below 420, I think the correction could come in, given that we see a break below 420 as well as a move on the Dow Jones below 38,100. Okay. We do have a gap at 422, so I am a little suspect of that move. But again, as you guys can see, I have it marked out where we could see a move towards 422 before the next leg up. and this potentially could be a head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern. All right, so that's all I really have. I don't have much for you guys. I just wanted to go over Tesla real quick. Again, overall, still bullish. If you want access to our Discord, link is in the description below. We've been on a 12 win streak. Like we've won like 12 in a row. We took one loss today. We closed Google today. We took profit on Google today. I think this is it. We made like 60% on that. We closed IWM puts today. I didn't, but I did alert the traders who with small accounts to start trimming or close if they want to take profit. Made about a good close to 40% on that. I always alert my traders to take at least 40% profit off their trades or just close completely into our target. So, won two trades, lost one today. But since last week, we've been on like a 12 trade win streak. So, again, I mean, it speaks for itself. We've been winning a lot in here. Okay, so Discord link is in the description below. Check it out. It's only $25 a month. You get access to forex, stocks, crypto, all that fun stuff. You get access to my charts, and yeah, that's all I got. So until the next video, have a good one, trader.